Hello Gucci's team and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope everyone has been doing great. Subscribe if you haven't done so and click on that notification bell. Let's make some mac and cheese. This is my hot water. It's already boiled. I'm going with my macaroni. This is how it's looking. So once it is cooked, we are going to mix our macaroni sauce, okay? Add your macaroni in like so. You can add a little bit of salt, which I've gone in to add salt into my water as it was cooking. So allow it to cook for about 7 minutes and then we go to the next section. Stay tuned. These are all the cheese I'm going to be using. I'm also going to use this. This is the first time I'm actually going to try this very brand. Okay. I'm not going to use this brand in case you want to try. I'm trying this for the first time. This is the butter I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be using evaporated milk as usual. Okay, this is the brand I'm using, and this is the whipping cream I'm going to be using. You can use any whipping cream of your choice. And yeah, you guys know this, right? I love this. The first time I use it for mac and cheese, so we are doing just a little quantity, but trust me, you're going to see how beautiful it comes. Okay, so this is it for the things we are using. I'll show you other things one after the other. So let's see our macaroni. Remember, you don't have to allow it to overcook because it's going to cook in the oven. Okay, so I think this should be fine. This is about 5 minutes. I think this is fine. I'm going to mix my mac and cheese sauce here so we can add it to the macaroni. So I'm going to go in with this whipping cream, heavy whipping cream. Go ahead and add it in. Add it in like so. You can also go in with some black pepper. You can also go in with some onion, powder seasoning. You can go in with your garlic powder seasoning. You can go in with your paprika. You just want to make sure you season it. You want it to come out very flavorful and delicious. Yeah, just any seasoning of your choice. I'm going in with this wonderful seasoning. Just go in with any seasoning of your choice, like I said. This is one of my favorite cheese to go for my mac and cheese. I'm going to go in and add this, but I'm going to cut this into half. I'm going to add it in like so. I'm going to also add this. Trust me, they are all going to melt in here. This is the Gouda cheese. I'm going to just cut it into two and put it in here. This is it. I'm going to add it in. So this is the one I just added, guys. Okay. This is what my mac and cheese sauce look like. It's all melted and it smells very incredible. It smells incredible. It tastes fantastic. It tastes so good. I just allowed everything to melt in here. I still have some cheese I'm going to put on top of my macaroni. So let's see my macaroni because it's all ready. We want to pour this in and let it cook. I'm going to be baking my mac and cheese in this cast iron pot. I'm going to take the lid out. So chop my butter in here. This is to make sure your mac and cheese gives you a beautiful, shiny and delicious texture. Chop it into bit sizes, okay? Can you see how I've gone ahead to chop the butter into bit sizes? Look at that. You can just go ahead and do that. I have mac and cheese recipe on my channel, but I just like to teach you all over again. I'm going to go in with my evaporated milk. Go ahead and add any of your choice evaporated milk. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I love evaporated milk in my mac and cheese. Trust me guys, you're going to see the end result. This is homemade, so you want to really enjoy it. The next thing I'm going to do is to add my mac and cheese sauce, and that is it. I'm going to add my sauce, and that will be it. Off your stove. So let's add this. So I'm going to add my mac and cheese sauce. Add your mac and cheese sauce like so. Woo, that's so delicious. Guys, look at how juicy it's already looking. Try your mac and cheese like this. You will be making your family's day or your friend's day when you do things like this. Look at that, guys. Just mix everything in. Look at that delicious mac and cheese. Ooh, this is good. This is weekend treats, guys. Weekend treat. Look at that. Very juicy. So you want to go ahead and add all of this shredded cheese. Beautify it. All of these beauties. Guys, how is it looking already? Is it looking good? Okay, we still have some more. It's going to be sizzling by the time it's ready. It's going to be sizzling, sizzling. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Delicious mac and cheese recipe. Our macaroni and cheese. See our macaroni and cheese. Let me bring this. I got it. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at it sizzling. We want it a little brownish. Hope you all are going to give this a try. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Share this video to your family, friends, and loved ones. And please give it a massive thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching to this moment. So guys, we have started eating our mac and cheese. So I'm going to look at that. Ooh, look at that. This is my bowl. I have some chicken and sauce in it. This is so good, guys. Look at that. This is so good. Well binded, well delicious.